It looks like the time for reminiscing is over, and it's time to address whatever this is, honestly.
Wow, it's been 2 years. 2 years since the reawakening of the movement and the return of Andy Badwool. Now, as much as I'd love to be happy about the return of FAM, there is one problem with that. You see, a certain group has decided to poke their heads into business that quite simply doesn't concern them. And what else is funny is that they claim to be working for a certain individual that I've wronged, and that this person knows a certain secret of mine. Well, you said I had to come to this ring and reveal my sins to the world, or you will do it yourself. Well, I say enough with the talking, and how about you come down to this ring and face me yourself?
You don't seem to have a problem recognizing my face, even after such a long time. The anguish, the tears, the betrayal. You remember all that, don't you?
I can't really argue with BH's logic, but...
You idiot! No one is safe on a fate here! Nobody!
Betrayal, this happens.
Nobody!
I can't even believe what I'm seeing right now.
There was a reason we immediately got rid of you from betrayal. And that's because you were the most conniving, corrupt, and downright unstable. And you've just proven that right here, with what you've done and what you've become. A requiem, whatever secret you have hidden against me, I'm gonna seal it along with your face.
For the past 7 years, I've found myself in a position of uncharted power, and that power is information. In order for me to dethrone the king permanently, I must not only defeat the king, but stain his legacy. Andy Badwool is not the saint you proclaim him to be. He has committed an act so egregious, so unforgivable, that he vowed to always keep it hidden. It is his deepest, darkest secret. Forever a movement will fall.
From Scotland, representing the Swift Blaze Society, the Wolfgang, Stigma!
Honestly, there's nothing more I can add to the story, folks. The package promo spoke for itself. I don't want to insult your intelligence, but the bottom line is, this has all been years in the making. 8 years to be exact. And it all started when these two, alongside Black Heron, planted the seeds for the entity that soon became known as Betrayal. However, the namesake itself, they ended up betraying Stigma because they thought of him as being too weak. Back then, it's up for debate. But this version of Stigma right now, oh, there is no disputing this one. This Stigma is totally different. He is, by far, the incarnation of pure evil. And this is what Andy Badwool is going to face. And if Andy Badwool should unsuccessfully defeat his former partner in crime, then this so-called secret that Stigma says Andy's been hiding, it will all be revealed right here tonight. And let's be honest though, whatever the secret is, my opinion of Andy Badwool will never change. And that's a promise. And I think it's just more than just a secret. We all know that.
He is one of the founding members of FAM, Andy Badwool.
One of the founders himself, Andy Badwool, marches it strong as he prepares to fight one of his ultimate adversaries right now, an entity that he believed that he just put away alongside Black Heron. Stigma got to Black Heron first after all these years, and now he's eyeing down Andy Badwool. He promises that he's going to scar Badwool just like how him and BH scarred him all those years ago. Whatever the secret is, it will only be revealed should Andy Badwool. His track record speaks for itself. I was a betting man, but thankfully I'm not. I had a problem with that before. He is going to arrive and conquer as he does always. And the pinnacle of this movement, Andy Badwool has won 3 times the anniversary. He beat Crumbuster. He beat Black Heron. It's Stigma! Oh! Now he has to beat Stigma, but Stigma beat him to the punch! And not before the match could even begin. Yeah, ring the bell. Why not? Yeah, do that. Right after a blind shot. Sure. Yeah, Stigma came back strong. And he came back wiser than ever, but hey, dude, he might even have some gold in his pocket to buy an official or two. Because that right there is not a way to start the match. Why would the match go that quick? Andy with a schoolboy. Not even a 2 count. Stigma came out of that one. Oh, look at that. A sunset flip into a bridge. Oh, look at that strength of Andy. No, with a victory roll. And no, obviously, Andy Badwool and Stigma. Oh man, this match will not end that quick. These two want to shed blood, especially Stigma. The history between these two, I think, honestly, is unmatched. Because not only have there been 8 years of animosity, there's 8 years of pent-up silence and anger towards Andy Badwool from Stigma as he hides in the shadows for all these years. First, he let that anger out on BH, literally running him over, just like he ran over Andy Badwool, like with a coastline.
No, stay in the ring. Stay in the ring.
Wait, is he telling Stigma to stay in the ring after all that? Sure! Oh, Andy Badwool now! Striking down Stigma, hey! Tit for tat, hey! He blind shot at Andy, so Andy blind shot at him! And now I think, instead of wrestling, they're just going straight up fisticuffs here. I mean, what else were you expecting after all that? Irish whip by Andy. And a close look! Oh! Whoa! What a reversal into a triangle choke! By Andy, no, I should say by Stigma, as Andy is fighting back. Oh yeah, fisticuffs did the trick right there. Look at Andy now with his own submission hold, this time into a sleeper. This time Andy's the one trying to choke out Stigma. Will he actually finish that though? Will he actually do it? No. Stigma reverses that one with just a technical snapmare. Striking Andy's nape. right into a snapback takedown on his own now. Headlock takeover, and now Andy quickly dodges and reverses that one. Stigma rebounding from the ropes. A Stigma. No. Andy. Knee strike. Oh! That's the patented knee that Andy's been known for the last 11 years here in FAM. Hey, Stigma wanted Andy Badwool to go all out. Oh, be careful what you wish for, man. Andy was going to go all out regardless, but now he just asked for it. And a clothesline. Now Stigma's turn to go over with a clothesline. How does it feel, eh? That's what Andy Badwool's telling you right now. As the crowd endorses the FAM founder. I mean, let's be frank, yo. Whatever secret Andy has, this perspective, this respect, this legacy, it ain't changing.
Is that all you got?
That's all you got. Stigma said, hey, Andy Badwool drew first blood. Whatever Andy's got, I believe it's more than enough, Stigma. Look at these two gladiators. Not just gladiators, but vengeful ones at death. There's nothing more dangerous than death. Staring each other down. A Stigma drives Andy into the ropes with a forearm shot. Stigma now going right back into work with fists of his own. And I think he just temporarily dazed Andy. They drop down. Andy goes over, and Stigma goes over too again. Whoa! Tilt-a-whirl neck breaker. Oh, whoa! Look at that! Into a face lock, like guillotine. I'm sorry. Now he's trying to really choke out Andy. And if he successfully does that, then Stigma might just reveal Andy's secret. No, Andy was not gonna risk staying there any longer. DDT. And Stigma raised his shoulder. Stigma's lust for vengeance is on a whole other level, and they believe a DDT is just not enough. By far not enough at this point. And then the Badwool, he knows that. As he goes right back to work. Just onslaught after onslaught. Man, he's not giving Stigma any room to recover from any of those shots. Okay, Stigma reverses it into a clothesline. Corner to corner, post to post. Oh, and Stigma lands on that post with a body splash that failed to connect. A Stigma, he failed that sidewalk slam by Andy, which successfully connected. Again, I doubt that this is going to be the end. And I think this is the game plan of Andy Badwool, is trying to exert all the energy from Stigma. And believe me, folks, if you're trying to figure out the amount of energy you gotta go through in order to just lift your shoulder up from a man the size of Andy Badwool, yeah, it takes a lot of energy. Andy Badwool, I mean, Stigma's a veteran in his own ranks, but Andy Badwool's been a veteran for FAM for 11 years, since the beginning. And I believe that FAM is not a pond, okay? It is the freaking Mediterranean Ocean. And Andy Badwool has been the shark that has been infesting this ocean for the decade. Oh! I was gonna say that there might be an experience edge for Andy, but Stigma, hey! Hey! Oh! He literally just shoved Andy down to the merciless concrete floor. And Andy Badwool just splattered down there. That thud could have been heard around the entire arena. And then he's back, his spine. He's feeling the effect. Oh boy! What the hell was that? Stigma pounds into the top rope and springboard moonsault right onto Andy Badwool. And he didn't even feel that. Stigma. Oh no.
1, 2.
Andy. Oh. Out of the springboard moonsault, I had my doubts about Andy's consciousness, but Andy still in this bout. Stigma mercilessly, slowly, methodically just drags Andy Badwool's almost lifeless corpse onto the top rope. No, right into the corner now. pick him up once more. Oh man, post to post, just working on that spine of Andy Badwool. Oh wait! Andy! Dodge that one! Oh no, the pedigree! Is Stigma going to dodge this one? No, he doesn't! The pedigree from out of nowhere too! Stigma! This is it for him!
1, 2.
No! Stigma's will for revenge is just too much. And it needs to do a hell of a lot more damage, a hell of a lot more work to lay these men's desires for vengeance, just lay them all to rest. And he knows that, and he goes right to the armbar, this time working on the shoulder of Stigma. Yeah, I think that's an incredible game plan on the part of the veteran. Andy Badwool now just wrenching the entire limb of Stigma. That right arm, actually the entire right socket might actually pop out. Stigma continues to go through this punishment, through this torment by the FA founder. Look at that. The straight edge veteran just wrenching it. Will Stigma finally? No, he finally escapes. Look at that. And now using his actual good arm to literally punch out of the predicament. What? Andy! No, he got caught by the spine buster.
2.
And Andy, I'm not gonna say it was a surprise that Andy kicked out. But regardless, that's an incredible reversal by Stigma.
What's wrong?
Listen to me. I need you to count faster than that, alright?
I'm the referee here.
Hey, wait a
I
minute.
call the shots, and there's nothing wrong with my
Well,
count.
I'm afraid there is. Count faster is all I ask, understood?
Okay, understood.
Stigma just threatened the referee to count faster? Yeah, sure, who else he think he is? The Don? Yeah, sure. What kind of higher echelon BS is Stigma think he is, but hey! Hey, Northern Light suplex and another Northern Light suplex! Incredible! I'm not never gonna doubt the athleticism, the skill, whatever of Stigma, regardless of his antagonistic nature at this point. As Stigma goes for the elbow drop, which connects, and now he's setting up Andy for the end. Is he actually going to lift him up? No! Andy Badwool reverses. He dives from the fireman's carry, and God knows what Stigma had planned for that. As the leader of Switchblade rolls out for the sake of safety, for the sake of sanctuary. But Andy denies his freedom. FAM is not his place to burn down, says Andy Badwool. Andy Badwool. This guy is tactical. So for him to go for a suicide dive at this point in the game, you know Andy Badwool is trying to do whatever it takes to pin this man down once and for all. This is not a joke, folks. For Andy Badwool, there's pretty much life or death. I mean, this is not just about a grudge against Stigma. This is about the so-called secret. This is about an 8-year story. This is about history, legacy for Andy Badwool. Oh no! Stigma! The original Sin move! What the hell, just like that? No! Andy! Oh, thank you. Oh my. Andy's legacy might have just flashed before his eyes. His entire career flashed right before the conclusion of that pinfall, which gave Andy the absolute adrenaline to kick out of the original Sin. And no, I'm not referring to Rennick. That's what Stigma called it. Blame Stigma for the confusion. You know what? Blame Stigma for everything, stupid emo. Oh no! Stigma walking Andy Badwool using his signature taunt. And he's actually going, no! You've gotta be kidding me! GTS like that!
2.
Andy, yes! Yes, Andy! Oh, what the hell? What the hell was that?
I told you to count faster.
Are you kidding me? He just dropped the official! Just because he wanted to! What? We're gonna let him get away with this? Are we kidding ourselves here? He can do whatever the hell he wants! What the hell is he doing? Andy! No! The steel chariot! Wait! Andy! Andy grabbed it and tossed it away from Stigma's dastardly hands. Andy tossing Stigma in the ropes. What? Black and gold! Power bomb! It looks like he's going for the triplet, but no! Yes! Black and gold! Power bomb! Oh, BH is smiling somewhere. He definitely is. Shout out to the Predator Arms. Shout out to Black Heron, the founder himself. Yeah, but let's not start celebrating just yet. Without an official, we can't officially seal the deal in this match. Thankfully, he gains back consciousness, and instead of DQing him, he's gonna let Andy Badwool just lay the groundwork, just nail the coffin. No! Stigma, what? How the hell? Elbow shot after elbow shot. He managed to find his wherewithal and reverse it. No! Andy catapult catching him, and he finally connects. Yes! No! What? After a black and gold powerbomb and a GTS, Stigma's fury is not extinguished. What else can be done? What else can be said? Well, I think Andy Badwool might just be planning to do something a bit more drastic. I don't know what it is, but I guarantee you, Andy Badwool is reaching deep down to finish this once and for all. He's setting him up on the top. No. Oh yes. Superplex from the top of Mount Olympus, landing meteoric style right in the middle of the ring. They say there are moments where time stands still. I believe this is one of those moments. Andy now with a center from top of Stigma. And it's not enough. The superplex was not the death nail that Andy was looking for. What will it take? That's the question in Andy Badwool's mind. And I believe he will find an answer in this match. No matter how long it takes, no matter what it costs, Andy Badwool, he wants this victory. Oh, here it comes! Knee strike combination into the no! Stigma dodges that! And now it's time for a Stigma zone corner combination. Corner strike after corner strike with the body splashes. What's next? Suplex, no! Falcon arrow! Twisting him into the fall, which he does not get. Andy kicked out right at the last gasp of a second. Now Stigma's the one that's signaling the end. Rebound, karma injection. He nailed Andy, and he might have knocked out the founder. And in the process, he might have knocked himself down. He's actually giving Andy all these seconds to grasp back his soul. Is it enough? No! That entire moment had paid dividends for Andy Badwool to catch his breath and regain his consciousness. And Stigma, he's feeling the side effects of that mistake. Oh man, just look at that. Into a vicious walk, trapping Andy's limbs and wrenching his neck in the process. Oh, he had to let go, otherwise he would have been caught in a pinfall. Action reversal and an excellent punch by Andy. Right to the cheekbone, and Stigma's the one that stays again. As he dangles onto the ropes, and Andy Badwool was going to capitalize until Stigma just relentlessly fires back. And so does Andy with his own forearm. Oh no, Stigma caught the leg, sweeps him down. What the hell? Oh man! A figure four, almost like an Indian deathlock into a figure four. Whatever the hell that is, that's a combination that just leads to pure pain. And Andy Bell was feeling all of it. To the point where he might actually tap out. And if he does, we all know what that means. Andy's secret, heck, his entire legacy might just be over. But then Stigma not applying the hold long enough as Andy kicked out. Punched out, I'm sorry. Forearm shot, he punches him back down. And then both of them kicked up at the same time. Andy Badwool shot right to the sternum, wrenching the shoulder right back in the shoulder of Stigma. Quickly pounces back. Man, I can't even keep up with just two of these guys going back and forth so quickly. Andy, shooter! Yes! Yes! Working onto the spine and wrenching the legs while he's at it. Is this enough to put down Stigma? I haven't seen Andy lock a sharpshooter in ages. And this might call for it. This occasion, the moment that will test Andy, the moment that will even test Stigma, hangs in the balance. And it's called it with a sharpshooter, but Stigma grabbed the ropes. Damn it. And you know what, look at that, that's just class by Andy. He immediately let go of the ropes, not this BS, you know, holding there until the 5 count by the referee. That's just class, that's just tenacity, just pure ability by Andy Badwool. Showing doesn't need to blind shot or do any of that dastardly crap that Stigma does. He's not that desperate. But you know what? I think he should be, because again, Stigma is not playing fair either. But in this case, he's just not putting him to sleep. GTS. Oh no! No, you're kidding me! You're freaking kidding me! And he should have known. He hit him right next to the ropes, but there, man, I was caught up by the notion that this was over. That GTS, it would have been enough. That would have been it for Stigma. Luck is on his side, at least momentarily. Andy Badwool, I believe, should not be wasting time and actually just go back to a big hole, big move, whatever. End it once and for all, Andy. And I believe this calls for it. Going right back on the top rope. He's gonna land that one more big move from the top of Mount Olympus, as I like to call it. Because believe me, this is the land of the gods. And oh my lord, this might be a godly end to this match. What the? Oh no. No, Stigma struck out. As Andy Badwool just got whiplashed from the top all the way down to the middle of the ring with that beautiful Hurricane Rana. A desperate one, but beautiful nonetheless. I will never doubt Stigma's skill. Never in a million years. But only one of them, only one of these skillful warriors, only one of these combatants will leave here tonight as the victor. And to the victor go the spoils. And in this case, the spoils will be the privilege of revealing whatever the hell the secret Andy Badwool has. Oh man. Stigma signaling once more. Could this be the final taunt? Could this be the final curtain call in this match? Stigma! Oh, he's going for death from above! He is! Stigma! No, he misses! Andy dodges! Andy out! No! Karma injection! No!
2, 3.
No way! Andy lost! Stigma! He's defeated! Andy Badwool! Oh my lord! What does this mean? That's it! Stigma! He has claimed victory! Against the founder! His former betrayal! Brother in arms! Andy Badwool! And now the stage is set for Stigma to reveal Andy's hidden secret. This, I mean, am I really gonna be forced to recall this match? I mean, oh, listen, without a doubt, this is gonna be a freaking classic that's gonna be rewatched, whatever, but it's also supposed to be rewatched as a turning point for this entire legacy known as Andy Badwool. Heck, whatever this is, could lead to the downfall of not just Andy Badwool, but it just might snowball into the downfall of FAM. One of us already said that we might be seeing the ultimate war for FAM. Stigma's part of that group. He's with the 7-6 as well. And the third entity, all of those people, all of those crucial chemicals combined with this victory might just spell the end for FAM. I don't even... I just have to sit here and just absorb whatever's coming my way, whatever this revelation is on the part of Andy Badwool. And it's not like Andy Badwool didn't give it his all. He fought tooth and nail, and not only that, he fought in such a dignified manner that, you know what, it might just have been not the right call, honestly. Andy Badwool should have played desperate, because Stigma sure as hell did. And Andy put out all the stuff and clothing that called back to Black Terror with a black and gold power bomb. But again, just not enough. Love was on Stigma's side, and Deadly Karma was with the side of the Wolf, the leader of Switchblade. Stigma, and look at that, just like that. What else can I say? Andy Badwool had that match won. He hit him with the GTS so many times. All the moves that he just happened to be right there, right next to the ropes. A mistake on Andy should have dragged you right back in the middle of the ring too, but you cannot deny that Karma has played a huge role in this bout. But at the end of the day, Stigma was just one step ahead, and all it took was literally one step as he used to jump in the air and strike Andy with the Karma injection, sealing Andy's fate and thus this match. And once more, as per stipulation, as both men agreed to, Stigma is free to disclose upon us whatever this dark secret is, whatever this so-called legacy-changing information that Stigma's clothed upon. Regardless, my opinion of Andy Badwool will not change.
You're a dead man.
And I truly believe the fans, whatever, no! Oh, come on! You've already beat the man, Stigma. Just let him go and say whatever the hell you gotta say and just leave, alright? For love of God, just leave. Tell us and leave. Freaking emo, I swear. Romain's right, this guy's nuts. There's a reason why Andy Badwool and BH got rid of him for betrayal. Oh no! Look what! Andy! Look out! Stigma's got the baseball bat! Andy! Andy's still alive! He dragged that baseball bat and struck Stigma with it! And the leader of Switchblade is down! Oh, I'm tired of this crap. What now? What? I know those two. On the right is the man known as Penance, and that evil-looking individual on the left is called Ben Brett. Don't ask me how I know this, but I have very strong suspicion right now that these two are the pillars of Switchblade, alongside the boss, alongside Stigma. Oh, Andy, turn around! Turn him down! Damn it! Stigma! No! No! The original sin! Once more, Andy Badwool! Look at that shot! Stigma! Busted open! There's a friggin' crimson mask right all over his face! But that rage has already blinded him more than his own blood! Look at that! Patents and Fed Brett, now we've seen the entirety of Switchblade! All of them right now have formed a circle around Andy, trapping him like a pack of hyenas as they're systematically starting to take down this straight-edge founder, Andy Badwool, right now. But what can he do? What can anyone do? Seriously! Just beating down a defenseless Badwool right now. Yeah, that's really classy, guys. Really amazing show of dignity. Yeah, that's how you get your revenge, Stigma, right? Sure. Really beat the man. Just say whatever you gotta say and leave. But instead you gotta get these two goons out here to finish him off physically. I can't bear to watch this. I'm supposed to call this too. What? Oh no! Uranagi slam! Right under the baseball bat! Come on! Leave Andy out of this now! No! What the hell? What the hell is he doing? No, 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 no! Oh my! Man! Come on! Andy Badwool is just being systematically dissected by Switchblade, Fred Brett, Pedants, and Stigma. Stigma already won. That's it. Come on. Oh, it's not enough. It's not enough for Stigma, ain't it? He wants to do what he did to Black Heron. Let's end him. Not his career, but more than that. Oh man! That metal just connected right onto Andy's skull! Witnessing the end of the founder. Come on! Somebody end this! Enough! Look at that Andy Badwool. Oh man! Andy Badwool is just pouring a waterfall of his own blood right now! Oh no! No, come on! Come!
No. Then stop.
Penance! Get them out!
Andy, you're one hell of a fighter, I'll give you that. But just like your fallen brother, you had no chance against me. Coming to FEM for the first time felt like everyone was against me. The Straight Edge Society, Sander, Killswitch, Rombuster, they all tried to take me down before I even got started. Then I partnered up with an old friend, Travis Pass, and together we won gold, but it was cut short when he betrayed me and broke my jaw, forcing my exit from FEM. And then you showed up, told me that together we could take over FEM and change the wrestling world forever. So I joined your group, and little did I know that when you meant we, it had nothing to do with myself. The pain you're in right now is due to the fact you pissed off the one guy you really shouldn't have. You and Black Heron betrayed me, and yet you guys went around calling yourselves Betrayal? What a joke. You are done, and FAM is in my hands now. I make the decisions. I made sure that no security would interfere this moment. The moment where I reveal your secret to the world as promised. Oh, cry me a f***ing river. You all need to understand that there is nothing that will save FAM. No one is even close to being capable of stopping me and the empire I've claimed.
Whoa! 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 No! Is he here? You've gotta be kidding me. You've got... Screw you, Stigma! Screw you!
Did you think your Messiah would show up? Please. Did you all not see what happened to him? He got hit by a car and beaten half to death with a baseball bat. He's lucky he didn't die. And you'd be happy to know that he is still alive. But he will never, ever be able to walk again.
No way! No way!
And because of that, you will never see him in FAM again. Actions have consequences. Bring him in here.
Leave him. Leave Andy Badwool. For love of God, leave him!
Andy, can you tell me the last time you had a drink? I know you claim to be straight edge, your motto is you don't drink or do drugs, but you've been drinking recently, haven't you?
What?
In fact, you've been drinking for years.
What the heck are you saying, Stigma? What?
Ladies and gentlemen, Andy is not straight edge.
What? What?
Was it the guilt of all the people you screwed over throughout the years? Or perhaps it was the realization that you've become the most irrelevant person out of your founding brothers. Either way, that tattoo on your stomach doesn't mean shit. You wear this lifestyle like a badge of honor that makes you above everyone else. Pathetic. You're almost as much of a drunk as I am. Everything you stood for is all but a lie. A gimmick. Just like the rest of Forever a movement. You and FBM will now perish, and there's not a damn thing anyone can do to stop it. Not a man named after a type of bird, or a drunk who says he's straight edge.
There's just no way. No. No!
Karma's a bitch, isn't it?
I don't know. What?
That's right, folks. Take a nice picture. Take a lot of them. Because it's the last time you'll see that bastard here again.
This is just a bad dream, right? There's no way this is real. No way. Somebody please wake me up from this nightmare. Please.
Forever a movement will fall.